Our last section for today is the word problems. We're going to write an equation or inequality for each word problem and then solve it. For number 1, 7 is less than or equal to 5 times the number n. We're going to solve for n. The first thing I see is the word 7. So I'm going to have 7. Is less than. Because of the word is, this is no longer our subtraction switch. This is now an inequality. Or equal to, so it's going to have the equal to part underneath, 5 times the number n. Next, we're going to solve that. So to get n by itself, right now we're multiplying. Opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to get 7/5 is less than or equal to n. So n has to be bigger or equal to 7/5 to make this a true statement. For problem 2, you have $15 to spend on groceries. You have $12.25 worth of groceries already in your cart. We're going to write an inequality that represents how much more money you can spend on groceries. So there's a few different ways to write this. We know that we have $12.25. We can add so much more money, and it has to be less than or equal to $15. And we know it has to be less than or equal to because we only have $15 in our wallet. We don't have a credit card that we can charge more money to. $15, that's it. Now we're going to solve it for m. So I'm going to rewrite it. We subtract $12.25 from both sides because right now we're adding, and the opposite of addition is subtraction. So m is going to be less than or equal to $2.75. So I can spend $2.75 more or less than that and be okay. We put a dollar sign since we're talking about money. Problem 3, it says the quotient of x and y is r. Write an equation that expresses this relationship and solve for x. So remember, quotient means division, and it's going to go wherever the word and is. And is means equal. So we're going to have x divided by y equals r. We want to solve for x, so we want to leave that right there. It's being divided by y. Opposite of division is multiplication, so multiply both sides by y. So we're going to get x equals ry. And then the last problem, we have 5 less than a number is the same as 9. This time, there is no is there. When there is no is, that means it's going to be our subtraction and switch. So we're going to have minus 5. You can say x, you could use any number you want. Is the same as means equals 9. Now it says find the number. So right now we're subtracting. Opposite of subtraction is addition. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. So we're going to get x equals 14. And we can check this by plugging this back in. So if I take 14, I can say 14 minus 5, does that equal 9? Yes, it does.